Good evening, everybody. I'm sorry, I'm in a noisy place.
You're good.
Anyway, I'm very glad to see each and every one of you. And I introduce myself. My name is Franson from the Philippines. I work all over the Middle East for almost 37 years. And I came back here to the Philippines and I met Lodi, my friend, who inspired me with GPMS. So now we have a plan for the work to expedite the consent signature, and hopefully we are working on a plan to support the uh, consent and visiting all the urban areas all over the Philippines. And if possible, we have extra fund. We will send some funds to elsewhere, whoever needs it. That's what we are working now. Anyway, I hope the focus and the goal of each and every one here is to uh, reach the 50% of the population of the world. And that's our goal. Because phase one is to complete the consent of half the population of the world. So we have to work according to that. So I think that's it for me now.